Founded in 1997 and registered as a charitable trust by the HP Indian government in 2005, LA has continuously provided vital resources to those in need for over 13 years. The law office is staffed by 9 full-time Tibetan employees and assisted by the valuable contribution of volunteers from around the world. LA plays a crucial role facilitating the transition of Tibetan refugees from their homeland to the Indian community by providing long-term rehabilitation and education resources. On a daily basis, LA offers 5 English classes, 2 French classes, 2 Spanish classes, Tibetan classes, and 3 Chinese classes, all at varying ability levels. All courses are staffed by volunteer teachers and are open to the public.
I learned about law on the internet. Actually, I knew I was coming to India and I wanted to volunteer in a few different places. And one of the places I wanted to volunteer was in Dharamsala for the Tibetan community. So I found out about law, and it was a really good group to find out about because it's one of the only groups in town that has a comprehensive website, so you understand what they're doing and how you can help, and be assured that you'll have an opportunity to help before you come.
We can say certain positive, but if I say I am...
LA also offers a tutoring program to supplement each language class. In the future, LA plans to add more advanced language classes and provide students with certificates of completion. The classes have dramatically improved the language skills of hundreds of students. For Tibetan refugees, English and Chinese are essential in order to find employment and establish a productive life in exile and in Tibet. The majority of students attend classes for at least 2 to 6 months, and approximately 40% continue their studies for 1 to 3 more years.
So today we have a review, so we're going to check, make sure you remember.
3 basic photography courses taught by professionals are available to all interested persons. At the course completion, students display their work in the LA photography exhibit.
Imagine your composition. So I love volunteering, so I thought it looked like a great organization. So I walked in and I said, I'm really interested in teaching photography. Can I do it? They said yes. They asked for a commitment of 4 weeks, which was no problem. And I've been here 2 months, and I love this place and I love this organization.
LA has a well-established computer training program which aims to provide refugees with viable job skills for the future.
Then you'll merge, but it'll be a lot different than it was yesterday.
On July 6, 2011, LA opened its community soup kitchen at its new building, Ahimsa House. The Ahimsa House is divided into residential apartments where long-term LA international volunteers and cultural exchange students can stay. This is the first soup kitchen in Dharamsala that serves low-cost and nutritious meals to the Tibetan refugee community. Approximately 35 to 50 needy refugees will be able to take advantage of this service every day for a nominal fee of 15 rupees per person per meal. Meals will be completely free for those who cannot afford to pay this amount. LA collects clothing and other materials from generous individuals and groups. Every month, the Dharamsala Rotary Club distributes 100 articles of clothing to the needy, especially to the slums in the lower Dharamsala area. The cultural exchange program involves a visiting student being paired off with a Tibetan English student at LA of similar age. Also offered are massage treatments for complete physical and mental stress reduction with the revitalizing techniques of deep tissue and acupressure by a professional therapist. Law offers a wide array of long and short-term, as well as pre-arranged and drop-in volunteer opportunities at no cost for both individuals and groups. Law has ongoing needs for professionals in many areas. All volunteers from different walks of life are welcome. Thank you for your time and interest, along with your continued support.